The road can lull you into a false sense of security. Then, in an instant, it can turn your world upside down. These 15 Dashcam stories expose the moments when routine disappears. No time to think, no time to act. Just the brutal truth of the road. Are you ready to face the unexpected? Number 1. Blind corners, silent warnings. In the first clip, in a quiet suburban neighborhood in Phoenix, the morning sun bathed the road as Jake drove with calm confidence. The white car ahead slowed. Nothing alarming. But from the right, a black car suddenly pulled out. No screech, no horn, just a sharp jolt as metal met metal. Jake never saw it coming. Intersections aren't just about cars, they're about split-second decisions that can change everything. Number 2, it came out of nowhere. In the second clip, night breeze, busy highway near Texas, Jean was cruising with a friend, windows down, music low. Just ahead, a gray car glided smoothly under the street lights. Then, out of nowhere, a giant rock rolled into the lane and smashed its front. Screams, brakes, panic. No one understood what had happened. Only later did the dash cam reveal the truth that a container truck speeding ahead had lost its load. A torn strap, 1 stone, 1 second. That's all it took. Number 3, when the past hits hard. In the third clip, Minneapolis's chill crept through the air as Priya finally relaxed, driving home with soft music and a coffee in hand. The intersection ahead looked calm, just a gray car waiting to cross. She almost smiled, until another gray car shot out from behind it. Her heart dropped. She knew that car. It belonged to her ex, Andre. He always rushed things. This time it cost him. He slammed right into her side. Some collisions start long before the road. Number 4. One turned too late. In the fourth clip, it was just past noon in a quiet American suburb, mountains stretching across the horizon. Malik was in a rush, late for a meeting, eyes on the mall's entrance. He swerved toward the parking lane at the intersection, but in the next lane, another black car was speeding to beat the light. Neither backed off. Metal slammed. A screech. That one rushed turn cost them both. In traffic, haste on either side writes the same ending. Number 5, buried in a split second. In the fifth clip, snow dusted the Colorado roads that morning, and Emma drove in silence, her breath fogging the glass. The world felt muffled until movement snapped her out of it. Just ahead, a black car veered left, through the mid-barrier gap. Quick, sudden. A gray car had paused, but another in the next lane hadn't. It tore through the fog and crushed the turning car's side. Emma's chest tightened. Hands clenched the wheel. It was like watching calm shatter. In winter, it's not always the weather that's dangerous, it's the decisions disguised inside it. Number 6, smoke on the highway. In the sixth clip, Nathan was cruising behind a courier truck near Phoenix when a strange sight stopped him cold. White smoke poured from the truck's rear, thick and suffocating. Was it fire? A malfunction? He didn't know. But the truck driver didn't hesitate. He jerked the wheel right, smoothly pulling off the road. No swerving, no panic. Just a quick decision and a flawless move. Nathan's heart raced. The air was thick with uncertainty, but that driver, he was in control. On the road, when things go wrong, it's not the crisis. It's how you handle it that counts. Number 7. When guidance comes too late. In the 7th clip, it was a crisp morning in Florida. The intersection clear, traffic flowing. Alex and his girlfriend waited at the red light, lighthearted chatter filling the car. Ahead, a gray car in the middle lane slowed, then suddenly cut left toward a side road. His GPS had just rerouted. But that wasn't a turning lane. A black car in the next lane slammed into him, sending metal and glass flying. In seconds, the mood inside Alex's car shifted. Laughter vanished, replaced by silence. A missed turn is no emergency. On the road, fixing a mistake at the wrong time can cause far worse. Number 8, chasing through the red. In the 8th clip, Dallas at night. David eased into a left turn on green, trailing a black car. From the opposite lane, another black car blew past a red light, barely clearing the intersection. David flinched. But the car behind that one, it wasn't so lucky. It slammed into David's right side with full force. The impact crushed metal and his calm. One reckless driver slipped through. The other paid the price. On the road, don't follow blindly. Know who you're chasing. Sometimes the path ahead isn't safe, but just unpunished. Number 9. When speed meets skill. A curve handled right. In the 9th clip, Eva cruised down the wet roads of North Carolina, the music blasting loudly. Suddenly, a gray car swerved past her, speeding into the curve ahead. The driver misjudged the turn, and the car slid dangerously. But the driver reacted quickly, braking just in time, then smoothly guided the car back onto the track. Eva watched with a calm focus and said, "Speed can be thrilling, but it's skill that makes the difference." Number 10. Hidden in the shadows. In the 10th clip, New Mexico's narrow streets were quiet, the night thick with shadows. Daniel drove fast, the chatter with his friend masking the tension of the unlit road. A bus rumbled ahead in the right lane. With a grin, Daniel veered left to overtake. Then, out of the darkness, a black car turned into his path. It had been hidden in front of the bus all along. No time to react, no space to escape. On narrow roads, it's not just what's ahead, it's what you can't see that's waiting to teach the hardest lesson. Number 11. When speed and panic collide. In the 11th clip, on a quiet Utah highway, Michael drove with his son, vehicles zipping by at 70 kilometers per hour. Suddenly, a cab appeared in wrong way. The white car ahead swerved, trying to avoid it, but it was too late. Crash. Another impact. A container truck slammed into the mess, smoke pouring from its engine. The white car spun off, crashing into a roadside hut, stopping just a few feet from Michael's car. Later, they learned the cab driver had missed an exit and panicked. Michael turned to his son. Speed's deadly, but panic, that's what really destroys lives. Number 12. Craving that almost cost everything. In the 12th clip, in New York's quiet midday rush, Eric was humming his way home. Then, just ahead, a white car lunged out from the opposite lane, trying to squeeze between Eric's car and another. Too tight, too fast. It clipped his bumper, sent Eric spinning into another white sedan, screeching, crashing. A peaceful drive shattered in an instant. He wasn't speeding, he wasn't distracted, but someone else was impatient. Reckless overtakes don't just break rules, they break lives. Number 13. Too close for the desert. In the 13th clip, the road cut through a scorching, sandy stretch, barely any traffic in Phoenix. Evan drove steady when a white car sped past, overtaking him and aiming to pass 2 more cars ahead. At first, the lane looked clear, but just as the maneuver neared completion, oncoming headlights appeared. The driver panicked, tried squeezing between the 2 cars, but no gap. He veered left toward the far side pavement, but didn't make it. A car struck him hard. Evan slowed, heart racing. On such roads, misjudgment isn't just risky, it's a gamble with lives. Number 14. Slippery seconds. In the 14th clip. In the rainy hush of Millersville's night, Liam pushed his car through the dark intersection. No signal lights, barely any visibility. At the same time, another driver from the right, in a white sedan, veered in with equal haste. Neither slowed. Neither expected the other. The crash was sudden. Metal meeting metal, tires screeching on wet asphalt. Liam's car spun once before stopping near a drain. Drenched and stunned, he realized. In low visibility, slowing down isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Number 15. The cost of one rush. In the 15th clip, in the quiet town of Cedar Bluff, a container vehicle was already halfway through a signal-less intersection, its size demanding slow, careful movement. Marcus, the driver, stayed alert. He knew this junction's risks. Suddenly, a white car stormed in from the left, trying to beat the crossing. It was too fast, too late. The driver braked hard, but momentum carried him forward. The car slammed into the container side with a harsh thud and finally stopped. No serious injuries, but the message was clear. Even when you're late, speeding through uncertainty can cost far more than time. These weren't just collisions, they were turning points, sudden, heartbreaking moments where everyday drives became life-altering events. Behind every impact was a story cut short, a future that never arrived. If any of these stories made your heart skip, don't let it fade away. Turn that feeling into awareness, into action. Share this video, not for clicks, but for the one person it might save. A second of caution can mean a lifetime more with someone you love. Tap like if these moments moved you. Subscribe and be part of a growing circle that sees driving not just as a routine, but a responsibility. Because this isn't just about what went wrong, it's about what we can still make right. Until next time, drive with care. And remember, behind every wheel is a world someone is trying to get back to.